Welcome to High Yield Med Reviews and an introduction to our NP Curriculum Support Program. In this short video, Dr. Anthony Busti, our CEO and founder, will take you through how we developed our curriculum support, what the high yield teaching philosophy is, and why this program will benefit both your faculty and your students.
So my background is unique. I have training as a nurse, a pharmacist, and a physician. I do have an active practice. But in addition to that, I'm a passionate educator who has an interest not only in the current, but also the future generation of healthcare providers to make sure that we are training people to understand important concepts so they can apply them to real-world scenarios in clinical practice. At High Yield Med Reviews, we believe in teaching to understand the material, not just memorizing a bunch of facts. And so we embrace an educational model called knowledge transfer, where we give the students and you that core knowledge, the core concepts, what is called explicit knowledge. But more importantly, we got to take that to that higher level of critical thinking, analysis, and application, which is that tacit knowledge that is needed not only for their board exams, but for real-world practice as independent, competent providers taking care of patients. So as a healthcare provider and an educator who has had practice experience in nursing, pharmacy, and medicine, I have also taught nurse practitioner courses for over 13 years. So I understand what NP programs are looking for. I have that practical experience of educating nurse practitioners. You know, having been faculty and educator myself, I understand the time constraints that you are dealt with. And so we as a company made sure that the courses that we developed gave you the greatest degree of flexibility, where you can make assignments, you can pick and choose what you want to do, you can have tests, not have tests. We've given you freedom, freeing you up to do the other things that you need to do for your job, but also within the course. If you want to offer other educational experiences, it gives you that flexibility and the time to develop those, to enhance educational experiences that the students are getting. So it allows also the facilitation of a flipped classroom. So it gives you a lot of freedom, it gives you a lot of flexibility, and we keep the information up to date for you. You know, students will also benefit from this because we are going to be integrating and solidifying their knowledge base, because our philosophy of teaching to understand, we will take that core knowledge that they have to have, but we're going to be taking them to that higher level of understanding, but where they walk away knowing that the course was relevant and that they see why they needed to know it and then how they're going to use it as they go into their rotations and then prepare for board exams and then, of course, real-world clinical practice.
Thank you for taking the time to learn about our NP Advanced Pharmacology and Curriculum Support. We would love to talk to you about how our flexible course modules could fit into your curriculum. Our curriculum support team will work closely with you to make sure that we yield higher results.